It's iPhone day. What's going on, guys? And today, I mean, you know, one of my favorite days. Can you be quiet, please? I'm trying to film here. Gosh. One of my favorite days is Christmas. It's Thanksgiving. It's all those days. Halloween is fun, but there's also special days for us as, you know, the fans of the Bitten Apple brand. It's iPhone launch day. I mean, unboxing an iPhone is just awesome. And that's what we're doing today. Today we are going to the Apple store. We're picking up the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the Apple Watch Series 5. So, I am so excited. Why the heck did I just sit? Alright, let's do this. By the way, guys, the shirt that I'm currently wearing is the $40 Apple shirt that Apple ripped me off. I gotta wear it today. I know they ripped me off. Once again, you guys saw my Apple campus vlog. I'm okay with that. By the way, it's currently 7:28, 7:30, and my pickup is at 8, so we should be getting there a little bit early. We should be seeing like the whole excitement, people that have been literally sleeping there. So, once again, exciting stuff. Guys, we've got the one and only Victor over there. What are you getting?
iPhone 11 Pro Max, 64 gigabytes.
I'm getting the normal one, the 11. That's gonna be my daily driver. So he's gonna be the Max, I'm gonna be the normal. And guess what? He's gonna be the Max, and I'm gonna be the normal. All right, we have arrived at our destination. We're literally 1 minute away from the Apple store. You should be seeing a bunch of freaks like me just getting excited for this iPhone. Let's do this. Alright guys, we are here. Check this out, how many people are currently waiting in line. There's not that many people as like the iPhone XS, well, especially like the iPhone 10. I remember perfectly the iPhone 10. There was way many more people, but there's all over there and all over here. I don't know how many people have been waiting overnight. I don't think there's that many, but I know there's like a lot of pre-order people like me. So yeah, I wanna talk to somebody that has been waiting overnight. Let's see if I can get that to you guys. Just like a tiny interview, like a 5-second, 10-second question. Let's see. All right, guys, we have the first people in line for the iPhone 11. ¿Qué tal? ¿Hace cuánto que esperáis?
Pues llevamos, bueno, yo desde las 6 menos cuarto.
Yo, bueno, pues mi madre apareció por aquí a las 9 de la mañana, no, a las 9 de la noche, y yo sobre las 12 porque venía de estudiar.
Hay que estudiar. ¿Qué iPhone os pilláis?
El 11 Pro Max de verde, 64 GB.
Verde.
Yo el 11 Pro, el plata, el blanco, de ¿cuánto era? 256 euros.
¿Y por qué este iPhone?
Hombre, la cámara, la batería, la pantalla, al final es un Pro, te llama.
Yo principalmente porque el que tengo es el 6, así que salto unas cuantas generaciones.
Vas a flipar. ¿Tú qué iPhone tienes?
Yo tenía el 10S Max, pero me lo vendí y ahora voy con el S.
Pues disfrutar los iPhones.
Muchas gracias.
Felicidades por ser los primeros.
Gracias.
Merci. Buenas. It's time. After all the rumors, all the leaks, it's finally here.
Hola.
Guys, I'm not gonna look at the new iPhones. I'm not gonna look at the new titanium Apple Watch up close or the iPhones. I'm not gonna feel them. I want to. They're literally right there, but I don't want to. I want the unboxing experience to be as natural as possible. I'm excited. I'm hyped. We're literally 30 seconds away from getting our hands on the box. Holy moly, Maca. Rona. What orden de llegáis? He's starting with Victor. He's not starting with me. What is this? Is this real life right now? Alright guys, we did it. We got iPhone 10. No, not 10. iPhone 11 Pro Max in midnight green. We got the iPhone 11 in iPhone 11 Pro in gold. And we got the Apple Watch Series 5 titanium edition, Series 5, 44mm, all the good stuff. Let's go home. Let's do this. I can't wait. Let's go. All right, guys, we got our iPhones. Let's go home. Let's unbox. Let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was cool, right? Let's go home. Let's do this. I mean, I'm just so excited. All right, guys. I am officially home, so let's do this. I've got the iPhone XS, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the Apple Watch Series 5. So, if you want to see me unbox any of these products, Just literally, you know the drill. Click one of these buttons. I mean, probably the Apple Watch Series 5 or the iPhone 11 Pro. Unboxing will be right on the screen, so do it. Watch it now. Come on, dude, like, or lady, woman, whatever you want. Click the freaking, do it now. Go.